Ladies and gentlemen, and today on eBay Stash, I'll be dealing with Hall sensors. Now, do you build motors or want sensors for the stuff? But in my case, the case today, do you build motors? Well, when you start making the motors more powerful, neodymium magnets of such, you may have a little problem, especially when you're trying to get the motor to start. Hall sensors might be a solution. Well, I think I should start building motors from scratch, just to have a good understanding of Hall sensors. So, I got a couple of Hall sensors. So I went and got a couple of Hall sensors, all kinds of Hall sensors, right? But today, I will be starting with the US18, aka US1881. And that's where I got some information for this Hall sensor. Here's some more information on the Hall sensor. Package and pins. Package and pinouts. How to use the thing, orientation, etc. Now, the test circuit I'm using is this one. Blast it out with a 10k ohm resistor. And this is my output right here. Now here's the circuit I'm using on a breadboard. My LED is an output. So I have a 10 ohm resistor, a 1k resistor on the output, the LED, and then the LED goes to ground. Just to give you an idea. $5 volts on my power supply. That's my magnet. Change the pole. It's off. It's low. Change the pole, it's high. Change the pole, it's low. Change the pole, is high, etc. So, I hope you try out one of these Hall sensors one day. You know what? You mightn't have a choice in the future. Maybe, according to what you are building. So enjoy. I'm out. Get me out of here! Get me out of here!